Hey, so I'm not a gun tuber. I never claimed to be. Always felt like I dodged a bullet with all the gun tubers. I've watched so many of them rise and fall, and I never wanted to be a gun tuber really. But I do a lot of stupid gun adjacent stuff. I mean, I guess when you're in the industry as long as me. So, like, look, sometimes I think you can forget if you're in the middle of this industry, like why you do these things anymore. Like you're constantly like, what problem or what project do I do next, or you're always whatever chasing something. So I'll give you a stupid one. Again, I'm not a gun tuber, no expert. I am a certified ar15 armorer. So, I mean, I do know enough to talk about this stupid shit. So, here's a project. Started life with this upper. So, we've got a 16-inch heavy barreled, I believe it's a radical upper. Let me check the box. Yeah, it's a radical. It's a radical on the box. So I picked that upper up. Somebody came in our store needing money. $100. We have a saying around the shop. I can't build it for that. I can't build an upper for $100. So with a BCG and charging handle. So I'm like, what am I going to do with this stupid, cheap, radical upper I have no use for? And that's where we start doing fun, stupid stuff. Because I also had like a $30 Anderson, shoved in the closet somewhere. Like, who doesn't have a dozen of those in the closet for no reason? I mean, the gun industry is feast or famine. You should always have a dozen lowers around for those hustling money president years. I don't know what y'all are thinking. Anyways, had one of these laying around. I'm pretty sure it's got like a $30-something random AIM surplus parts kit in it that I picked up on sale probably during the pandemic or something. Alright, so we got cheap lower. Got a $100 upper. Got the rest of the lower parts. Alright, but what are we still doing with this thing? We're going to make it a functional gun. What kind of gun are we going to turn it into? Well, I started to put an FRT in it and just make it a bullet hose and burn the nitride out of that 2,000 round barrel anyways. But I decided let's do something stupid with it, because doing stupid things is still what makes this fun occasionally. So I was like, let's do a $300 DMR. Alright. We'll start with our sling. Check out this badass sling. Wait, we got metal QD points, and it came with a M-LOK QD point to go on the rifle. It's pretty much a copy of a Magpul MS3, which I have several of those, except this was $12 on Amazon with an M-LOK QD point. Oh, so we're going to probably, if we're going to do a DMR, we're probably going to need a bipod. How about this OV Life? It's one of the cheap ones I could find on Amazon. I don't think I've opened this thing yet. Oh, wait. Yeah, I have. dropped all the shit on the ground. We've got some instructions in there. Yeah, but it's a bipod. And it goes on a pick rail adapter that comes with for like 28 bucks. I dropped the adapter. Of course, we get on Amazon. Again, multiple pieces of M-LOK pick rail for like $9.89 or some shit. The goal on this rifle is not the best. The goal is the cheapest. So, to complete the cheapest, we also have the OV Life cheapest 3x9 illuminated reticle scope I could find. That's surprisingly clear. So this turd actually comes with rings too. Got a little box of rings here. So we haven't put this turd together yet because I'm still waiting on some discount AC Unity furniture that I ordered and some locking bones for the fire control, some other things that I ordered last week that should be here next week. So I'll do an update video on the $300 DMR next week once I put this turd together and we figure out whether it will shoot or not, because we already know it's probably not going to last.